Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and again I am here to teach you SST Standard 2, and the chapter name is A Good Home. So in last videos I told that please look at this picture which is given in page number 22, and then you join the next videos part 2 which I am explaining right now. So in last videos I have taught you about a home, that a house where we lived, that is also called our home, and we always kept our house neat and clean. So in a good house, it always it has doors and windows. Why doors and windows are important in good house? It is important because it allows sunlight and fresh air to enter the rooms. To allow the sunlight, fresh air to enter the rooms. So with the help of sunlight, the germs will kills the sun will kills the germs. With the ray of sun, the germs will kill. Thus that's why the sunlight. So that's why with the help of sunlight, our house will become free from germs. Now windows is, what is the use of windows? Window what? It always use and it always allows fresh air to enter the house. So fresh air what? Like a natural air, it always allows to enter through the windows. So that fresh air is always also important for our good health, and if it is not there fresh air, then we can become sick also. So a good house is always the doors and windows. It is important so that our house will become neat and clean, and we have a good health also. So I told that you just read the book. So here is what in one house picture is there. In one house it is showing the doors, ventilators. You just see the ventilator, it is up of the house, and the net is there, wire nettings. In window with wire nettings, windows are there, and windows is wire netting is also there. So why the wire netting is important, that we will see in the next topic. Next, one box is also there, and one it is written that a good home should have doors and windows. Means if a good home is there, then it always has a doors and windows. Why doors and windows? Because it allow fresh air and sunlight to enter the house. So doors and windows, it allows the fresh air and sunlight to enter the house, so that the germs will out from the house, that germs will kill, and we will not become a sick person. Let's go to the chapter. But along with fresh air, don't you think flies and mosquito will also come in through the doors and windows? So what can we do about that? So along the fresh air, you can see that mosquitoes and flies will also come through the doors. Now on that case, what we will do? On that case, what we will do? Next, a good home has doors and windows with wire netting to stop flies and mosquitoes from coming in. So good house, it is always has a doors and windows with wire netting. So if wire netting is there, so only fresh air will come, and it will stop the flies and mosquitoes. So if wire netting is there, then it helps us to stop the mosquitoes and flies and to spread the germs and disease. They let in air and sunlight through small holes in the net. So if in wire netting small holes are there, so they help us what? To come the air and sunlight with that small help of holes of the net. But insects such as flies and mosquitoes cannot pass through them. So but with that holes, the insects, which is flies and mosquitoes, it cannot be passed through the wire netting. So if doors and windows are there, it is good house. But with the doors and windows, if wire netting is there, then it is also very good house. So that flies and mosquito will be out of our house, and it will not come inside our house. So only sunlight and air will come inside our house. Next, did you know in page number 23, it is important to keep mosquitoes out of the house. it is very important to keep the mosquitoes out of farmhouse because mosquito bites can cause disease like malaria and dengue. So if the mosquito will bites, then it can what? It can disease also. It can spread disease like malaria and dengue. So in a house we have what? Wire netting also. sorry. So what? Wire netting is very important because it just stop the mosquitoes and flies so that we will free from this disease like malaria and dengue. Next, let's go through the ventilator. What is ventilator? Now if you are sitting in your house or in one room, then you can watch all around. You will see in a one house, one hole is there in the upper side. See here it is. In house there it is. This is called ventilator. So like that in your home also, in your room also, ventilators. Now what is the use of ventilator that we will see in this topic? Some houses also have an opening near the ceiling. Ceiling is there and near the ceiling one opening is also there. This is called a ventilator. So that hole are called ventilator. Ventilators allow air to circulate inside a room. So ventilator is what? It helps air to circulate, to go all the circles, all the small holes in a room, inside a room. How does a ventilator do that? So how does a ventilator do that? When air becomes stale and warm. Suppose in a room if air becomes stale, and stale means it's just stinks and it smells bad, and warm, so it rises up and goes out of the ventilator. So suppose in house if bad smell is there and warm gas is there, so what a ventilators, it just the air will rises up. So with the help of ventilators, the all stale germs, the all stale warm airs, it will go out through the ventilator so that fresh air is always inside our house. Fresh air then comes in through the windows to take its place. So if the stale and warm air rises up and it goes through the ventilators, then again the fresh air it comes through the windows and it takes that place. So that is called, this is called ventilation. So that is called what? Ventilation. Now we should keep our homes clean and tidy. So to keep the germs spread out, we have to keep our house clean and tidy. A good home has plenty of sunlight and air. A good home is what? The sunlight and plenty of air is always coming from the doors and windows. Garbage in a good home is thrown into a dustbin. So if a good house is there, then garbage it is always thrown in one dustbin. In fact, dustbin is always covered so that the germs will not spread. Water and electricity are not wasted. So in a good house what? Water and electricity it will not wasted. And kitchen and toilets are also very clean. And we have to always clean our kitchens and toilets every day clean. So in house you will see that your mother after cooking the food, she always just cleaning the house, so always cleaning the kitchen also, so that the germs will not spread and we will not got disease like malaria, dengue and like whatever the disease are there. So for that we have to keep our house clean and tidy. So your chapter has completed. I hope you guys had understood the chapter. Once the online class will finish, then again you will read the chapter, and then after if you have the book, then write down the new words. 4 new words are there: ceiling, ventilator, stale and ventilation. So these all 4 you have to write down in your fair copy, like date, today's date, chapter name, and then you will start writing the new words. So that question answer I will upload today, tomorrow, and you will go to the website, and then you will see your objective types also, and you will complete it in your fair copy. So till there, again I will back tomorrow, teach you one class, and your chapter 5 is type of houses. So that we will see in the next class. Till that, please stay at home and enjoy your vacations as well as online classes. Please don't go outside. enjoy with your family members. Thank you and have a nice day.